Over the past few years, robot vacuums have been getting smarter and smarter. Now many models come with auto-empty stations that take the effort out of cleaning even further. No more constantly having to empty dustbins after every cleaning. These auto-empty stations store weeks and weeks worth of debris. It's a total game changer. I've tested out some of the latest and greatest models hitting the market, ranging from value picks to premium feature-loaded options. After putting them through their paces at my place, I've rounded up the top 5 auto-empty robots that stand out from the competition. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the list. Number 5. Ecovex Diba T20 Omni. This powerhouse is not your average robot vacuum. With a groundbreaking 55-degree Celsius hot water mop washing technology, it's changing the game. Imagine a vacuum that can identify carpets, lift its mopping pads while vacuuming, and ensure a worry-free cleaning experience. The Omni Station adds to the magic, providing an ultimate hands-free solution. This robot handles hard floors and carpets with a whopping 6,000 Pascal suction power. Plus, the mop dries in just 2 hours, covering a massive 4,800 square feet on a single charge. 4 cleaning modes, automatic mop lifting, and TrueDetect 3D 3.0 technology. The Diba T20 Omni has it all. Number 4. Shark IQ. The Shark IQ is a game changer for pet owners. This robot vacuum comes equipped with a self-empty base that can handle 30 days of dirt. Yes, you heard that right. With a self-cleaning brush roll and strong suction power, it's a pet hair and allergen annihilator. The mapping feature lets you send it to specific rooms, creating virtual no-go zones. And the Shark Clean app? It's sleek and user-friendly. Priced at $400, the Shark IQ is giving some major competition to its rivals. Number 3. Dream L20 Ultra. The Dream L20 Ultra is a fully automatic robot vacuum and mop that's here to impress. Charging 30% faster with a large 6,400 mAh battery, this gadget means business. The AI-driven Mop Extend technology and Dew Scrub mopping system deliver detailed mopping, leaving your floor spotless. With a position-sensitive detector, 3D structured light obstacle avoidance system, and a built-in LED, this robot moves with impressive smoothness. It even learns your home layout, recommends cleaning strategies, and provides detailed cleaning reports. Sure, it comes with a hefty price tag of $1,499, but the Dream L20 Ultra is the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. Number 2. Roomba Combo G9 Plus. This powerful robot vacuum and mop combo boasts Smart Scrub technology for effective mopping and advanced navigation with 2 cleaning passes. What's the secret sauce? A 4-stage cleaning system, precision vision navigation, autofill and empty dock, dirt detective, and the Clean Base autofill dock. It prioritizes the dirtiest rooms first and won't shy away from pet accidents, thanks to its pet owner official promise. Priced at a reasonable rate and available on multiple platforms, the Roomba Combo G9 Plus is a top-tier cleaning solution. Number 1. Roborock S7 Max Ultra. This high-end robot vacuum combines vacuuming and mopping capabilities seamlessly. With features like self-empty, mop wash, and water tank refill, it's a convenient and hands-free cleaning solution. The Hyperforce suction and Viberize mopping system ensure effective dirt and debris removal, and the precise navigation system guarantees a worry-free cleaning experience. Control it through the Roborock app and watch as it maneuvers through various floor types with ease. If you want a powerful, versatile, and top-notch robot vacuum, the S7 Max Duo Ultra is the one to beat. So there you have it, our top 5 auto-empty robot vacuums for 2024. Each model brings something unique to the table when it comes to advanced floor cleaning capabilities. Let me know down in the comments which auto-empty robot vacuum is your favorite and why. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be checking back to chat more about the latest in robot vacuum tech. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.